In this video, we are going to discuss how to convert the data which is present in rows into columns and vice versa. This particular thing, converting the rows into columns, is known as transpose. In Excel, we do have a formula which converts the rows into columns, which basically transposes the data. The formula is known as transpose, but that formula is a bit cumbersome to use. It is difficult to use in all the situations. So the method which we are going to discuss in this video, you will find it to be much simpler. Say we want to convert this data which is present in the row from 2020 to 2024 into the data into a column. So what we need to do is first copy this data. So say right click, copy, then go to the cell where we want to paste it. So instead of just Control V, what we need to do is we need to paste it using, after doing right click, we just paste it using transpose. The fourth icon which is from the left. So you click on it. So you can see the data is transposed. The data which was over a row has now distributed in a column. Now we can do it with all the data also. The whole of this data. Say this time I use the shortcut Control C for copying. Then select this cell, right click, the fourth from the left, transpose. So you can see the whole of the data is transposed. So as you can see, this method is very fast and it is very simple. So it is a better method. In some other video we will discuss how to transpose using the formula. There we can compare whether this method was simpler or the transpose formula is simpler. I hope this feature was clear to you. Thank you.